older, I am small, wings are to fair. Great me the crowd to soar and sleep. Speech on the Iqbal. Good morning, everyone, respected teacher and my dear friend. Today we are here to celebrate Iqbal Day. Birthday of Iqbal, Lemon Iqbal, our national poet. He was born 9 November 1877, Sialkot, Pakistan. Al-Amin Iqbal was only a great poet but also a philosopher and singer. He poetry gives us a message of hope, path of self-respect. He wanted the youth to work and make our country strong. He called is the poet of seed of seed. I am fleeing. I brought my own self to being. I to others. That is my speech because his word respected people all over the respected. Iqbal dream of a spread homeland of Muslim and his dream one was great 947. Let us follow his message to believe in our sleep to study with dedication and to love our country because yourself every to mourn hit heart your heart just be thank you Pakistan Zindabad.